So we live in New Mexico and we get snow, but we don't get like a lot of snow.
So let's get started. For our base coat, we're going to use 2 parts letterpress gray and 1 part weathered wood, applying it in all kinds of different directions. Kind of sloppy town, and just getting it on.
Very often, and usually it warms up to like 50 some degrees during the day and our snow melts. Right now it is New Year's and we're in the middle of a blizzard.
When my base coat was pretty much dry, I grabbed my inkwell by Wise Owl and went back to fill in the cracks and crevices and give this piece a little bit of depth.
So my oldest daughter, she's in the Air Force and she came home from Japan. She's stationed in Okinawa. So she comes home and she's here for Christmas, and tomorrow she has to fly out at 5 o'clock in the morning and it's snowing like crazy.
So now I picked up my letterpress gray and I'm going to go ahead and add more texture to this piece, applying it every which way, giving a little scrubberoo here and there, and mixing it up. Just be careful not to cover up everything that you've already done, because we definitely want a little bit of depth, a little bit of texture, and that's what we're going for.
Meanwhile, we've been snowed in, so
now I have a chip brush, and what I did was I'm just basically dry brushing on some old school by DIY also, and just highlighting those raised areas.
So I like the way this turned out. We used a lot of different colors by DIY and Wise Owl, a lot of wax. And yeah, I think it turned out really cool. It's got a lot of texture to it, buffed it up, it's got a nice little shine, and that's it. So thank you. If you would like to know how to build a headboard bench, please let me know in the comments below.
Stay tuned for the next video as we wax this piece so you can see how we got the final look, and to find out if Michaela made it back to Okinawa on time. Thanks for watching.